Hey, it's Caitlin with forestrydoors.com and AmeriRent equipment. In today's video, I want to feature one of our newest products, the coupler guard manufactured by ArmorDillo for Kubota skid steer series 65, 75, 95, and 97. Crafted with precision engineering and built to last, this coupler guard is your first line of defense against impact, debris, and wear. With its robust construction, the coupler guard withstands even the harshest impacts, reducing accidents and downtime. Let's take a closer look at its features. The coupler guard is made of powder-coated steel. Its innovative design deflects debris away from your couplers, ensuring smooth operation in any environment. Plus, installation is a breeze. Thanks to its simple, user-friendly design, it requires no drilling or welding. It's simple to install using the existing OEM bolt holes. All hardware is included with the coupler. Let's take a look at this quick installation video. Don't let damaged couplers slow you down by replacing them all the time. Join the ArmorDillo family today and protect your connections with confidence. Please visit our website at www.forestrydoors.com to purchase and learn more about this guard and other products they manufacture. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. As a thanks for watching this video, use code CouplerGuard25 to receive $25 off. Thanks for watching, and until next time.